All right, this video is day 10 solutions. I was asked to do number 9 and 10, and it doesn't surprise me one bit. They're the more difficult ones on here. And they're very, very similar, almost identical. So we're going to be solving a radical equation. So we're just going to follow the simple steps. We're going to isolate the radical. That happens to be already done here. So what we need to do, oopsies, get back up there. We need to square both sides. And the left side's easy because squaring and the square root are inverse operations, so they just undo each other, and I'm left with 4x plus 8. On the right-hand side, you got to be careful. That's a binomial squared, so we're going to be foiling. So it's going to give me x squared. My inners and outers will add to 6x, 3x plus 3x, and then plus 9. So I have a quadratic equation. I need to set that equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract the 4x from both sides. Gives me x squared here. 6x minus 4x gives me 2x. And I'm also going to subtract 8 from both sides. So if I subtract 8 from 9, that's going to give me plus 1. So it looks like it factors nice and easily. It happens to be a perfect trinomial square. Factors of 1 that add to 2. Well, there's only factors of 1 is only 1. And it's going to be a plus and a plus, so that gives me my plus 2x. So although quadratic, it was supposed to have 2 possible solutions. It repeats, so it really has only 1 solution. Well, we need to check this solution back into our original equation. Again, you don't have to show me this check if you can do it in your head. 4 times that negative 1 plus 8. That's supposed to equal a negative 1 plus 3. Well, that's 2 over here. That's negative 4 plus 8, or the square root of 4. And 2 is equal to 2. So my answer checks. That's what you have to show me. Put the check mark or the cross root if it doesn't check. All right, the same process for number 11. I'm going to go ahead and square both sides, which means I need to FOIL this side. X squared minus 7x minus 7x minus 14x plus 49 is equal to, well, squaring the square root undoes it. It's going to be 3x minus 21. Again, it's quadratic, so I'm going to be setting it equal to 0. So I'm going to be subtracting 3x, so that should be negative 17x. And I'm going to add 21 to 49, and that gives me 70. Okay, well, factors of 70 that add to 17, that's 7 times 10, gives me 70. They're both minuses here, so x equals, or it's minus 7, and x minus 10. That whole thing equals 0. So we set each factor equal to 0. X equals positive 7, x equals positive 10. And now let's check. On the left-hand side, 7 minus 7 is 0. Inside here, 3 times 7 is 21. 21 minus 21 is 0, and the square root of 0 is 0. So 7 is an answer. Put a 10 in there. 10 minus 7, that's going to give me 3 on the left-hand side. 10 times 3 is 30. 30 minus 21, that's 9. The square root of 9 is 3. So it is also a solution. So this one has 2 solutions. All right, well, those are the only 2 that I was asked for. So keep the questions coming. I'll be more than happy to do videos anytime that you want to see them. And, yep, keep getting caught up on Google Classroom. All right, thank you.